Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I will be showing you how to pay your PAGIBIG bill using the GCASH. So if you have a housing loan sa PAGIBIG, GCASH can help you pay your bills as well. So this is very convenient, unlike sa magpunta ka pa ng mga bayad center just to pay your bill. So, first step is, of course, access your GCash app, and then you will be able to see here the dashboard, and just click on pay bills. And then, as you can see, there are a lot of biller categories here. So you can just search on PAGIBIG by clicking this the more icon here on the top right. Ito sa bandang taas, yan. Ito. So click mo yan, and then search for PAGIBIG there. So it's a heart. So click on PAGIBIG. Now, under type, so there's, by the way, andyan naman yung reminders ng GCash na yung binayad mo will be posted within 3 business days. So under type, so you have to select the type and choose the correct type. So for the housing loan, of course, just click on housing loan. Now, the account number, so sa bill nyo, makikita nyo dito yung account number mo, yung 12-digit na account number. And then this one is your monthly bill. So, by the way, pwede kang lumampas ng bayad. Kasi yung payment mo na yun is magiging savings mo naman siya. And of course, the covered period. So, you have here kung ano yung coverage period ng babayaran mong bill. So, let's say today is June 6. So, period covered from should be May 6. And then, covered to is June 6. And then, type in your email address. So that you will receive a message confirmation regarding sa payment na ginawa mo. Yun. So, after filling out all this information, just click on next. And of course, hindi ko siya makiklik ng next kasi I didn't put in anything. So, let's see account number, and let's say magbabayad ako ng 6.5 kasi actually yung monthly bill ko sa house ko sa Cavite is around 6.4 something. So, usually, nagbabayad ako ng buo, which is 6.5. Period covered, let's say, May 7, and then June, and the address. Okay, and then click on next. So, after that, you have to review the information na nilagay mo doon. So, once confirm, just click on confirm. Okay? Just make sure that you have enough amount sa GCash mo so that mag-success yung payment mo. As of now, I don't have enough funds yet. Hindi ko pa time magbayad ng bill ko sa house ko. My due date is on June 13. So, dun pala ako magbabayad. For today's tutorial, I hope na makatulong sa inyo to. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by the latest videos na mga ina-upload ko. Alright, so thank you everyone and have a good day. Bye!